Hey, it's Clay. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, now all of a sudden, this thing is just getting pretty choppy, and choppy in a consolidation type of way. So I don't mean choppy in any sort of bearish format, but let me squeeze things down. You can see overall, the chart's still trending upwards, but choppy in the sense of right here. This was where it got choppy. Again, and not in a bearish way, just in a way of, there wasn't any sort of big moves. All big moves would just go right back down, and it just was a choppy mess. And that's what seems to be happening here. New choppy mess is happening. But again, just to really emphasize, the key question becomes, okay, well, where is this choppy mess happening? Well, it's happening up here relative to where it was previously, and you can see this choppy mess is higher than the previous time. And whenever the choppy messes are at higher locations, that does still imply the overall trend is moving in the upwards direction. And that's what matters most, assuming you're bullish and want to see an overall uptrend be constructed. So that's why I'm trying to emphasize, because I know sometimes people take choppy as being bearish, and I don't mean it as bearish at all. I just mean to describe the current action, just up and down all over, and not really any sort of true direction in the nearer term. But when you squeeze down the chart as I'm doing here, you can see that the overall direction is still trending upwards. So just kind of keep in mind that dynamic. As far as levels of support are concerned, this green line here, which I've talked about previously at 42, still perfectly in play. I didn't even come close to being tested today. So just continue to watch that as that overarching level of support. In the event the price does try to work its way back upwards, the level of resistance here that really continues to make itself pretty apparent right up there around that 51 cent mark. So 51 cents, that near term level. And then, yeah, after that, if the price can't break above 51, it starts to make more sense to talk about that area up there at 60 cents. But I'm not even going to officially put that line in there just because, from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But applying the KISS method, keep it simple, stupid. Key level of resistance, 51. Key level of support, 42. So let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.